am Yashna Sahu, a student of class 8, and I will be a reporter for this week edition of MSPS Chronicles. Like every week, this week too, I will take you around the campus, catching up some glimpses of the event and activities going around in the school campus. So stay tuned as there is much more coming up.
हो गया है कि अब वह दिन
of
भी दूर
Republic
नहीं
Day took
जब
place with full
भारत
zeal
विश्वगुरु
and
कहलाएगा।
enthusiasm.
एक
The
ऐसा
tricolor was
देश जो
hosted by
विज्ञान,
manager
तकनीक
Sir,
और अर्थव्यवस्था के
followed by
साथ
some
साथ अध्यात्म
thought-provoking
में भी
and
उल्लेखनीय है।
patriotic
मैं इसी
speeches
विश्वास और
given
सपने
by
के
the
साथ
students.
अपनी वाणी को विराम देते हुए बस यही कहना चाहूंगा कि
As a dance is an important way to express our emotions, so the students performed on Ithas Ka Aina and reflected their patriotism and pride on being an Indian. The performance depicted India's culture and filled the environment with new patriotic fervor.
Road network has
Came to an end with
significantly expanded with over 5.2 million
for
kilometers of roads.
their country
Can you
and to
imagine?
fulfill their duties
Growth देखिए आप
as
इंडिया की।
citizens of this great country.
India has अगर 2024
Sports is a vital part of the CBSE curriculum, and table tennis is an inseparable and a very interesting part of sports. So, considering this, school has a separate table tennis room where the tables are laid and students are given practice and training. We can see children are enjoying the game and upgrading their skills under the guidance of their mentors. Contemporary world is the world of computer technology and artificial intelligence. So, to match the pace, we have separate robotic labs which has specialized mechanical and technical equipments to provide the practical knowledge to the young minds. We can see children learning and analyzing the mechanics used in various equipments. We have modern AI equipments through which children learn to amalgamate AI computer technology. Science is an integral part of the academics, and practicals are the best way to learn the concept. So, science practical was conducted and the demonstrations were given to the students so that they learn the concept and apply them in their exams and life. We can see children are keenly observing the process that is shown by the teachers. Young mind learn when they are taught from the childhood. So, to bring them on the floor, this week assembly was conducted by the little angels of class nursery. We can see the innocent faces praying and seeking the blessings. Because of the adverse weather condition, the assembly was continued to be conducted inside the classroom.
Okay, so now I am placing this one of
Today, class 7 is having a science experiment based on the topic light. Ma'am is demonstrating the process of image formation through various types of mirrors. Music not only adds melody to life but also relaxes us. Our culture is enriched with music, and so PT becomes a very important tool to lead a blissful life. So we can see children are learning this vital art to enrich their life under the guidance of their teacher. Music not only adds melody to life but also relaxes us. Our culture is enriched with music, and so PT becomes a very important tool to lead a blissful life. So we can see children are learning this vital art to enrich their life under the guidance of their teacher. Knowledge is beneficial when it is applied when required. So, it is supposed to be tested time to time. So, this week, Amar Ujala has organized the Olympiad for various subjects, and today, Maths Olympiad is being conducted in the campus to test the knowledge in mathematics. The initiative that was started by Amar Ujala is continued. Yesterday, Maths Olympiad was conducted, and today Science Olympiad is being conducted. We can see students are enthusiastically participating and testing their skills. The first written expression that we made was in the form of cave painting. Art is a beautiful expression, and the colors have their own meaning and a story to elaborate. So, to add colors to life and teach them the meaning and uses of different colors, students are being taught to learn the stories and uses of vibrant colors. Olympiads keep testing the knowledge of children, and general knowledge is a very important subject as it covers the general information of all the subjects. So, to test and upgrade their knowledge, the students are participating in GK Olympiad.
And is
We have a very
dedicated to Ma
important
Saraswati,
special assembly,
the goddess
that is the
of
celebration
wisdom,
of Vasant
learning
Panchami.
and knowledge.
It is a very
The
significant
festival
Hindu festival
beautifully blends
and is
devotion,
celebrated on the
culture,
5th day
and
of Magh
spirit
month.
of renewal.
On this day,
To begin
people worship
today's
Ma
special
Saraswati,
assembly,
the goddess
I
of
humbly
knowledge,
request
and
respected
wisdom.
principal.
Our honorable principal ma'am is paying the floral tributes to Ma Saraswati. It is also a very significant day for musicians as Ma Saraswati is also considered as a goddess of music. We can see children praying Ma Saraswati and seeking the blessings by praying melodious tribute.
अपनी पढ़ाई की
More
शुरुआत करते
knowledge
हैं
and
जिसे
to
विद्यारंभ
throw light
संस्कार
on
कहा
the
जाता है।
significance of this
विद्यालय
important
और कॉलेजों में मां
day.
सरस्वती की
Teacher
पूजा
is
की जाती है
tradition
और विद्या की
to
देवी का
speech.
आशीर्वाद
So,
लिया
today
जाता है।
the students realize
वसंत
the
पंचमी ऋतुओं का
importance
उत्सव
of
भी
the
है।
important
इस
day.
दिन से आयोजन है।
More
ये
knowledge
त्योहार
and
पारंपरिक
to
रीति
throw
रिवाजों के
light
साथ मनाया
on the
जाता है
significance
जिसमें देवी
of
सरस्वती की
this
पूजा,
day. A
प्रार्थना
teacher
और
is
प्रसाद का
delivering
वितरण
speech.
शामिल है।
So, as to
सरस्वती
make the
माना
students
जाता है
realize the
कि ये पूजा
importance of
ज्ञान,
this
बुद्धि
important day.
और
School always take care of the students' health and keep awareing the children about health and hygiene. So, today we have an oral hygiene awareness program was conducted by Bharat Care Organization and children were guided regarding their oral hygiene and healthy habits they should inculcate.